In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Honor account. So first of all, open the My Honor application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, My Honor application has been opened. So in order to create the account for yourself, tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Since you want to create the account, what you have to do is tap on this option, register. Now you'll be able to register for your Honor account. First of all, what you have to do is simply select the country or region. Tap on the field of country or region. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on the country or region that you would like to select. Now what you have to do is enter your email address. Make sure to provide the correct email address over here. Now you'll have to obtain the verification code. Tap on this option, obtain code, that you can see on the screen. Now verification code will be sent to your email. So what you have to do is open the Gmail. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. You'll receive the email from Honor. All you have to do is tap on it. Now in this email you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code or you can also copy it. Now after you do that, go back to the My Honor application. Now enter the verification code over here. Now instead of doing all that, you can also register with phone number. For that, tap on this option, register with phone number. If you use the phone number, the code will be sent to your phone number. Simply enter the code over here. Now after you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to create a password for yourself. Tap on the field of enter password. You can see over here your password must contain at least 8 characters. It must contain letters, numbers and no spaces. So create the password accordingly. Now enter the password again. Now after you do that, you'll have to select your date of birth. Tap on the field of date of birth. Now what you have to do is select the day, likewise select the month, likewise select the year. Now tap on this option, confirm. Now once you do that, tap on this option, agree and finish, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to allow the access to this information. So you can simply check or uncheck on the boxes. Now tap on this option, authorize and login, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account has been created. So like this you'll be able to create the account. So that is how you create Honor account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.